Tonight we wrap up our 3-day special series on the dangers of fentanyl with a look at how addictive this deadly drug can be.
Over the last 2 days, we've heard from families who've lost loved ones to fentanyl overdose. We've looked into the special training cops are getting on how to handle this drug. And tonight, ABC 15 investigator Sonu Wasu talks to those who have survived multiple overdoses and lived to share their stories of addiction.
I've been through treatment. This is my 5th time, and I've never even got sober for 30 days.
This is Justin Lawson. How are you doing this time?
I'm doing exceptionally well, I think. Today I am. I've got a little over a year and a half.
Wow.
And no desire to use.
The road to recovery from addiction, not easy. Lawson's addiction started at 15. First alcohol, then prescription pills.
I went to a doctor and the doctor would write me whatever I wanted.
When doctors stopped prescribing, Lawson said addicts turned to the streets for heroin and whatever else they could find. That's when Lawson found Mexican Oxy, which is basically fentanyl.
So the first time I ever did fentanyl, did a piece about that big, mixed up in a pill about that big.
Lawson says he was instantly hooked.
And that was 2 of us, and I split it in half with the person.
And how did that make you feel?
I don't remember. I overdosed.
An intense overdose. You'd think one would learn their lesson after that, but he did it again and again.
I'd wake up with paramedics above me, Narcan.
How many times do you think Narcan was administered in your case?
For me, 3 times.
Lawson says the love and support he's received at Crossroads helped save his life. Nearby at the Community Medical Center, we met this former addict, John Cook.
My family lived in a $500,000 home. We never had to go without food. We didn't have to struggle like that, and my parents cared about me. But I got caught up with drugs.
Both men say there's no doubt fentanyl is the most dangerous and the most addictive drug on the streets today.
I was given Narcan from EMTs 3 times.
3 chances to start over. In the end, for Cook, it was a compassionate police officer and drug treatment counselor who took him on during his lowest low.
And that man that day gave me this much hope. The same type of hope that I try to bring to people that I'm working with.
Both these men are success stories of survival, recovery, and proof that it is possible to rebuild yourself even after a life of severe addiction.
If the time gets rough, just know that there is treatment out there and you can get help.
Drug treatment counselors say many of the people they see come back 3, 4, maybe 5 times to get treatment. The first time may not be enough, but this is a lifelong battle that can be overcome if you have the will. Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.